Migrating your website to a new server sounds complicated, but it's not. If you follow this process exactly, your website moves without a single minute of downtime. First, log into your current cPanel. Your hosting provider gives you a direct link in their dashboard, or you can find it in the welcome email they sent when you signed up. Once inside, look for the Files section on your dashboard and click on Backup. You'll see two options: Full Backup and Partial Backup. Always choose Full Backup for migration. This packs everything into one file: your website files, your databases, your emails, and all your settings. Click Download a full account backup. Select Home Directory as your destination and click Generate Backup. Depending on your website size, this takes 5 minutes to 1 hour. Once complete, go to File Manager. Open your home directory, find the backup file, and download it to your computer. This one file is your entire website packed and ready to move. Now, open FileZilla, a free file transfer tool. Connect to your new server using its IP address and root credentials. Drag the backup file from your computer to the server. Upload it to the Home folder and wait for the transfer to finish. Next, log into 𝗤𝗏𝗵 on your new server. 𝗤𝗏𝗵 is the admin panel above cPanel. Your server provider gives you the login link and root credentials. In the search bar, type Restore. Click on Transfer or Restore a cPanel account. Select the backup file you uploaded and click Restore. 𝗤𝗏𝗵 does the rest automatically. Files go to the right folders. Databases get recreated. Email accounts get restored. Now, the most important step. Go to your domain registrar, wherever you bought your domain. Find DNS settings. Look for the A record. Change the IP address from your old server to your new server and save. DNS propagation takes up to 48 hours. You can track progress at whatsmydns.com. When you see green check marks across the world, your domain is fully pointing to the new server. Final check. Open your website. Verify every page loads. Check your SSL padlock. Send a test email. If everything works, migration is complete. That's it. No downtime, no data loss.
Host Hostrunway, your global hosting partner. For more technical videos, subscribe to Hostrunway.